You are back in the year 1928. You are heading down Hollywood Boulevard toward an event that reached its peak of glamour in the roaring 20s. The Hollywood opening night. Crowds jam the sidewalks to catch a glimpse of their favorite stars. But 30 years have passed. How many do you remember now? Flapper Olive Borden and virile George O'Brien. Dignified John Boles. Ruth Roland, Queen of the Serials. The beloved Lionel Barrymore. Boyish William Collier, Jr. Cecil B. DeMille, producer, director, and showman. Writer Darryl F. Zanuck, destined for fame. Lovely and charming Irene Rich. Matinee idol Conrad Nagel. Gus Edwards, who wrote School Days. Comedian Benny Rubin. Suave, funny Reginald Denny. Dashing Ben Lyon. Strong, silent Monte Blue. Producer Jack Warner, Mrs. Warner, and a youngster who grew into a producer himself, Jack Warner, Jr. Movie pioneer Samuel Goldwyn. Joseph Schenck with Lily DeMille, who later married Errol Flynn. Good-natured Guinn Big Boy Williams. Noah Beery and Sid Grauman of Grauman'S Chinese Theater, scene of this glittering premiere. The beautiful Dolores Costello, wife of John Barrymore and star of Noah's Ark, the film to be at last unveiled inside. For 3 years, Noah's Ark had been in production. Its cast numbered 10,000. Its cost, highest till then, was $2 million, in a day when a new car could be bought for $500. Now from Hollywood Boulevard, we move across the continent to the Great White Way. Its lights aglow in an age of prosperity, prohibition, and flaming youth. We are traveling toward the Winter Garden Theater for the Broadway opening of Noah's Ark, destined to astonish the tough New York critics. The Daily News said, it surpasses everything of its kind ever given to the cinema before. The Sun called it one of the finest examples of spectacle that the movies have ever offered. The Herald Tribune reported, it contains some of the most stirring episodes in the annals of the screen. The World hailed it a masterpiece and said, it adds to the record of the motion picture, another major moment of which it may well be proud. Since these comments were made, the years have rolled by. Acting styles have changed. Stories have grown more sophisticated. But we think you'll discover the suspense and grandeur of this film remain undimmed by time. So come inside. We believe that, like the audiences of 3 decades ago, you'll find excitement and inspiration in Noah's Ark.